Hey guys, it's Jessie Lipke and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be making a recipe perfect for any game day. Instead of reaching for that bag of chips, we're gonna reach for something healthier, which is this chicken buffalo dip served with carrots and celery sticks. Let's get started. All of the ingredients that you're gonna need for today's recipe. So we have 2 shredded chicken breasts. I've used a rotisserie chicken. Then we have 2 cups of mozzarella cheese, 1 cup of light cream cheese, a 1/4 cup of spring onions, and then a 1/4 cup of organic garlic aioli, and 1/2 cup of our Buffalo Frank's Red Hot. And we are going to be serving our dip today with some carrots and celery sticks. So go ahead and grab all of those ingredients and let's go. Before we begin, start by preheating your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Once you've gone ahead and done that, we're gonna start by taking our light cream cheese and we're just gonna warm this up for about 30 to 45 seconds. After you've heated up your cream cheese, we're just going to bring that into a large bowl with our cream cheese. Next, we'll add in our hot sauce, our garlic aioli to whip that together. Bring down the sides here. Perfect. Let's add in the rest of our ingredients. We'll start by adding our chicken. So we're saving about 1/2 cup of our cheese to put on top, and then our spring onions. Now going to transfer our chicken buffalo dip into an oven-safe container. Now we'll just add our cheese on top and then we're ready to pop this in the oven. And if you like blue cheese, you are more than welcome to add that. That would definitely contribute to the flavor. However, I don't like blue cheese, that's why I'm not adding it here. We're gonna pop this in the oven for 25 minutes at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Just took our chicken dip out of the oven. We're gonna pop it back in the oven for 5 minutes on broil and then you're done. Listen to that bubbling. Our dip is ready to enjoy. So that's it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed. Make sure to give this recipe a try for your next game day and we'll see you next time.